Hello, I am excited that you are joining me today on my channel. My name is Tasha. I hope you are well. Today I have an unboxing of a few items I have purchased from Cloth and Paper. I am currently in the process of updating my work planner. And what I've done, basically, I've reviewed several stationery products and companies, trying to find items that will update my planner to look more business professional, to give it a minimalist look, as well as a simplistic look, but will help me be a little bit more productive. So many of you know that I am a subscriber to Cloth and Paper. For the last 6 months, I have been receiving several items that I've purchased, such as the pens and desk items for organization. I have quite a few dashboards. I have some inserts, and I'm looking forward to trying many of those products in July. So what I've done is just basically added a few more items. And so I'm going to unbox these items today. And really soon I'm going to share my work planner setup. So today I am unboxing my Cloth and Paper products that I'm going to place inside of my work planner, which is an HP Classic size actually. First off, what you see is the pocket or this little pouch. I love these pouches because I've started using these for storage. So I put pins in here as well as inserts that I'm not using or even dashboards. And here recently, when I pop out my HP Mini from my Moterm cover, I find that if I slide it in here and just throw it in my work bag, it works really well as a pouch for my HP Mini. So let's go ahead and pull out my items. So first off, I have my receipt pocket. These are really cute. I know many people are using these pockets in their planner, but I really haven't decided how to use this yet. It's really kind of handy, but I'm going to just kind of set it aside for now. Okay, so these are extra journaling cards. I love Cloth and Paper when they send these because I'm able to update the pockets of my covers for my planner covers. And so these are really neat. So this one says Elysian, which is an adjective relating to or characteristic of heaven or paradise. That's really neat. Set that aside. This one says Moment and Maya Angelou. And this is actually a poem from Maya Angelou, which is really nice. Set that aside. And then this is Ambition. It says noun. Okay. An earnest desire for achievement or distinction, and the willingness to strive for its attainment. Power, honor, fame, wealth. Awesome. I will definitely put these items in my planners. So I'm going to set those aside. And let's go ahead and open up the rest of the products and pull these out. I'm going to go ahead and put the pouch to the side. Okay. So the first thing I see is the dashboard I have purchased, and this is called, this says the capacity to do. What you have the capacity to do is not contingent upon how somebody sees you. It is contingent upon how you see yourself. So this dashboard really spoke to me when I was searching for new dashboards. I'm thinking I'm going to use this one for the very front dashboard in my work planner. Okay, that's really nice. Next, I have the Notable dashboard, and this just says basically memos and ideas, which I needed a little divider or dashboard divider for notes and ideas. And I like that it's frosted. You can see through it a little bit, but you really can't see through it all the way. So I'm looking forward to putting this in my work planner. And then finally, Yes, these are the dividers for inbox and outbox. So I've always had a section in my work planner for inbox and outbox, but I like these dividers from Cloth and Paper. I thought they were really unique because the labels are at the bottom. So right here, you see inbox and outbox here at the very bottom. So when you put this in your planner, the labels will be at the bottom and you can easily flip to those sections. All right. So I'm really excited about these items. So I have dividers for inbox, outbox. I have a dashboard that says notable. And then I have the capacity to do. And this will probably be in the front and center of my work planner. And then I also have the journaling cards. So these are actually freebies. So I'm really excited about that. And that's another thing about Cloth and Paper. I love the way that they always send a nice freebie that you can add to enhance to your planner as well. Okay, well, these are my new items for my work planner. I will update you really soon and have a video on a setup for my work planner. So please stay tuned for that. In the meantime, if you like this video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you like this content, please be sure to subscribe. I hope that I will be able to bring you some useful tips that will help you along your planner journeys as well. Until next time, happy planning.